Alright, today let's understand one of the interesting concept which is known as version control. Imagine you are writing a group report and every time someone edits a section, Fabric saves a snapshot. This is version control. Just like here in the PPT, we have many people working together, right? So this is what happens in real life scenarios as well. So it lets track you, or the version control lets us track changes to notebooks, data flows and pipelines. So you can always go back to a previous version if something breaks. Now you can compare versions, restore older ones, and even see who made what change and when. This keeps collaboration safe, organized, and reversible, like having a time machine for your data projects. So what is version control in a nutshell? It is a kind of time machine, I'll say. So I hope you got the concept. Let's meet in our next lecture.